To some COVID-19 related news now, as Jamaica continues to see an increase in COVID cases, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is again appealing to more persons to take the vaccine. Now, Shamela Pullen visited one of the country's main vaccination sites in Kingston today and filed this report.
Another vaccination blitz at the National Arena in St. Andrew. And despite best efforts, the Ministry of Health has seen little improvement in the number of people turning up for the jab.
Well, right now at the arena, we have done so far today, I'm told, about 600 to 700. I don't have the final figure. People are coming in, so we expect to do, I think we'll do 1,000 or so today, which is normally in the ballpark of what was expected. This will continue tomorrow, of course, in selected locations, and we continue to encourage persons to come out and to encourage influencers to influence persons to come out.
The minister says there are a few weeks left before the vaccines expire.
Clearly, we have a policy. We won't administer vaccines that have expired. So in the unfortunate event that we do not have take-up, then those vaccines have to be discarded. They have to be dumped. And let's hope that we don't have to. But the truth is, it's really up to us as a citizenry, as a people, to take what is there.
Renewed calls for Jamaicans to take the jab comes on the heels of the growing number of COVID-19 related hospitalizations and infections. On Friday, 508 new cases were recorded from 2,081 samples tested. This brings the overall case count to 57,289. St. Catherine, St. Anne, and Kingston and St. Andrew saw the highest number of new infections with 128, 117, and 107 respectively. The positivity rate now stands at 38.5%. In the meantime, 9 new deaths were recorded, pushing the death toll to 1,285. 393 people are in hospital with the virus, of which 44 are critically ill and 88 moderately ill. There are 8,225 active cases. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.